to buy Bitcoins with a credit card or a debit card using Coinmama. I'm going to go over this really quickly. This is Coinmama's homepage. If you want to buy Bitcoins, you can just click on this button here and it'll move you to the pre-made Bitcoin packages. As you can see, the price keeps updating here, and the price you see here is basically freezed for 10 minutes, as it says down here in the pop-up. If you want to buy a different amount of Bitcoins other than what's listed here, you can just scroll down and enter your custom amount down here. So let's say I want to buy 0.75 Bitcoins. Make sure you select it on buy and just click on buy Bitcoins. Now, if you already have a Coinmama account, you'll move to the next page like I did. If you don't have a Coinmama account, you'll just be requested to open the account, enter some things like your email, password, and then you'll see this page. Now here I have two options, which is MoneyGram if I want to pay with cash, or if I want to pay with a credit card and I live inside the US, I can also use MoneyGram up to $500. But this will mean I have to deposit inside the $500 inside the MoneyGram's website, and I'm not going to go over this option in this video. The other option is buying through Visa or Mastercard via Simplex, and this means that basically I'm going to need to verify my identity, and I'll be able to buy up to $520 via this option. So let's go and click on this. And once I click, you can see it tells me that the daily order limit via Simplex is $520, and I need to enter my Bitcoin address here. So let me just go and enter my Bitcoin address. So I enter my address and I click on proceed to payment. It asks me to make sure this is my actual address, since Bitcoin isn't the transaction was basically final, and I'm proceeding to payment. So now it's processed my order, and all that's left is basically to enter my credit card details and my personal details and click on next, and the order will be processed. And that's basically it.